Hey everyone, welcome back to Asterisk Flex Fit Pro Asterisk, where we make fitness asterisk doable asterisk, asterisk realistic asterisk, and asterisk you friendly asterisk. Today, we're talking to the ones who always say, I'm too lazy. I don't have time, I'll start tomorrow. Guess what? Tomorrow becomes next week becomes next year. So today, we end the excuses. Here's a asterisk gym plan for the lazy person asterisk that asterisk actually works asterisk. No face reveal, just results. Let's go. Asterisk part 1, why the lazy label doesn't mean you're out of the game asterisk. First, let's clear something up. Calling yourself asterisk lazy asterisk doesn't mean you're broken. It means you haven't found your winning formula yet. You've got 168 hours in a week. Even 3 good workouts of 20 minutes each equals under 1.7% of your total time. See, you have the time. You need the asterisk plan asterisk dot. Dumbbell or bodyweight lunges times 10 each leg. Incline push-ups times 10. Bent over rows dumbbells, bands times 12. Plank plus shoulder taps times 20 sec. Repeat 3 rounds. Cool down, 5 minute, mobility, stretch. Why this works: you hit major muscle groups, boost heart rate, all under 30 minutes. Asterisk pro tip, asterisk put the workout in your calendar like any appointment. Treat it like you can't cancel. Most people quit, not because they don't want change, they quit because the method is too hard. So we simplify. We reduce friction. We make the gym approachable. Asterisk part 2, mindset shift. Let's start with why asterisk. Before lifting weights, we lift your asterisk why asterisk. Ask, asterisk why do you want to get in shape? Asterisk. Not for likes. Not for comparison. For you. When the why is strong, excuses shrink. Here's your quick mindset checklist. Decide you'll asterisk show up asterisk, not just asterisk try asterisk. Set realistic expectations. You're not going elite in week 1. Track progress. Even a little counts. Consistency beats perfection. 2. Reward yourself. Treat each session like you treat a meeting with yourself. Now that your head's in the right place, let's get moving. Asterisk part 3, the lazy person gym plan simple and powerful asterisk. Here's a 4-week starter plan, 3 sessions per week, 30 minutes each. No massive equipment, just you plus mindset. Asterisk weeks 1-2 foundations, asterisk. Warm up, 5-minute, brisk walk, or light treadmill sprint. Bodyweight circuit, squats times 12. Push-ups knees if needed times 8 to 10, plank times 30 sec. Repeat 2 rounds, cool down, 5-minute stretching. Asterisk weeks 3 for build, asterisk. Warm up, 5-minute cardio jumping jacks, row machine, superset. Part 3, the lazy person gym plan simple and powerful asterisk. Here's a 4-week starter plan, 3 sessions per week, 30 minutes each. No massive equipment, just you plus mindset. Asterisk weeks 1-2 foundations, asterisk. Warm up, 5-minute, brisk walk, or light treadmill sprint. Bodyweight circuit, squats times 12. Push-ups knees if needed times 8 to 10, plank times 30 sec. Repeat 2 rounds, cool down, 5-minute stretching. Asterisk weeks 3 for build, asterisk. Warm up, 5-minute cardio jumping jacks, row machine. Superset, dumbbell or bodyweight lunges times 10 each leg. Incline push-ups times 10, bent over rows dumbbells, bands times 12. Plank plus shoulder taps times 20 sec, repeat 3 rounds. Cool down, 5-minute, mobility, stretch. Why this works: you hit major muscle groups. Asterisk pro tip, asterisk put the workout in your calendar like any appointment. Treat it like you can't cancel. Asterisk part 4, lazy friendly nutrition and recovery asterisk. Gym time is important, but what you eat plus how you rest matter just as much. Asterisk nutrition hacks for your lazy plan, asterisk. Keep breakfast simple, oats plus banana plus boiled egg. Lunch, lean protein chicken or fish, tofu plus veggies plus whole grain. Snack, yogurt, nuts, or fruit. Dinner, stir fry or grilled lean meat plus greens. Water, aim for 2 plus liters daily. Asterisk lazy friendly nutrition rules, asterisk. Skip the magic diet. Just eat slightly cleaner than yesterday. Allow one treat per week. Festivity keeps you sane. Do active recovery. Walking, stretching your body will thank you. Asterisk Part 5. Overcoming lazy moments. Asterisk. We all have lazy days. The difference. What you do asterisk on the lazy day. Asterisk. Here are quick hacks to avoid sliding back. 1. Asterisk micro workouts. Asterisk. Okay, I'll do 5 minutes. Once you start, you often keep going. 2. Asterisk habit stack. Asterisk. Pair workout with TV show or podcast. Walk while you call. Use stairs instead of elevator. 3. Asterisk accountability. Asterisk. Tell a friend. Post your plan. You'll be less likely to bail. 4. Asterisk visibility. Asterisk. Dress for workout first thing. Make it harder to skip. 5. Asterisk reward yourself. Asterisk. Complete 3 sessions this week. Gives favorite meal. Episode. Asterisk Part 6. Progress and real-life results. Asterisk. By the end of week for you should. Notice more energy. Feel stairs or daily tasks easier. Clothes fitting better. Muscles engaging. And most important, that's the win. Not Instagram perfection. Just asterisk you asterisk getting just a little stronger, a little healthier, a little happier. Asterisk Part 7. Next steps and channel plug. Asterisk. Now it's your turn. Here's what you do next. Save this video. Pause. Pick your start date. Drop a comment. Week 1 starts on _. Hit the like button if you're done with excuses. Subscribe to Asterisk FlexFit Pro Asterisk for weekly simple plans, lazy friendly workouts, zero fluff.